How to reboot your iPhone every week. Restarting your iPhone on a regular basis can help refresh the system, clear temporary processes, and resolve minor software glitches. While it won't dramatically speed up your device, it can help if you're experiencing small issues like apps freezing, slow performance, or connectivity problems. To restart your iPhone, press and hold the power button until the slide to power off slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off your iPhone and wait about 30 seconds. Next, press and hold the power button again until you see the Apple logo. After your iPhone finishes restarting, it's ready to use. If you have a newer iPhone without a home button, press and hold the side button together with either volume button. Then slide to power off and turn it back on the same way. That's it. Restarting your iPhone once a week is a simple maintenance habit that can help keep it running smoothly. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, iOS tutorials, and easy tech guides.